Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In this video, we'll go through step-by-step instructions on how to prepare, mix, and serve this iconic dish the authentic Lebanese way. Avoiding common mistakes. Tabouli is simple, but small errors can ruin it. Steer clear of these pitfalls. Over-soaking bulgur. Soak fine bulgur just until tender, 15-20 minutes. Drain well and press out excess water. Mushy bulgur makes the salad heavy. Skipping the resting time. Let the salad sit for 15-30 minutes before serving. This lets the bulgur absorb flavors without turning limp. Dull knives. A sharp knife keeps herbs crisp. Dull blades bruise parsley, turning it dark and limp. Chop by hand. No food processors. Too much bulgur. Authentic tabouli is about herbs, not grains. Use just enough bulgur for texture, about 1/4 cup soaked per bunch of parsley. For the best flavor balance, add lemon juice before olive oil. Taste as you mix. It should be tangy first, then rounded out by the oil. Once you've nailed the basics, experiment. Some add cucumber for crunch or pomegranate seeds for sweetness. But keep the focus on freshness. Variations of tabouli. While traditional tabouli is a masterpiece on its own, there's room to play with flavors and textures. These modern twists keep the soul of the dish intact while adding a fresh spin, perfect for those who want to experiment without losing the essence of Lebanese tabouli. Quinoa tabouli. For a gluten-free twist, swap bulgur with quinoa. It's just as hearty and brings a nutty flavor that pairs well with the herbs. Here's how to do it right. Cook quinoa like pasta. Boil it in plenty of water until tender, about 12-15 minutes, then drain and rinse with cold water. This prevents clumping. Use less than you think. Like bulgur, quinoa should play a supporting role. Stick to 1/4 cup uncooked quinoa per bunch of parsley. Boost the dressing. Quinoa absorbs flavors slower than bulgur. Add an extra squeeze of lemon and a pinch of salt to compensate. Serve it chilled for a lighter, protein-packed version of the classic. Fruit-infused tabouli. Sweet and tangy fruits can elevate tabouli, adding bursts of color and freshness. Try these combos. Pomegranate seeds. Their juicy crunch balances the herbs. Toss them in just before serving to keep them bright. Diced mango or peaches. Adds a tropical sweetness. Pair with a hint of chili flakes for contrast. Dried apricots or cranberries. Soak them in warm water first to soften, then chop finely for a chewy texture. Balance is key. Don't overpower the parsley. A handful of fruit per batch is plenty. For extra creaminess, fold in diced avocado right before serving. It adds richness without masking the dish's freshness. Just skip the tomatoes if you go this route to keep textures clean. Pairing tabouli with other dishes. Fresh, zesty tabouli is more than a side, it's a flavor enhancer that lifts an entire meal. Whether part of a mezze spread or paired with grilled meats, it brings balance to rich dishes. Here's how to match it perfectly. Tabouli in a mezze spread. A mezze platter is all about variety, and tabouli fits right in. Its brightness cuts through creamy dips and salty cheeses, creating a harmonious bite. Try these combinations. Hummus and baba ganoush. The creaminess of these dips pairs well with tabouli's crunch. Scoop both with warm pita for the ultimate texture contrast. Labna and olives. The tangy yogurt cheese softens tabouli's sharpness, while briny olives add depth. Stuffed grape leaves. Warak anab. Their lemony, herbal notes mirror tabouli's flavor profile, making them a natural match. Arrange everything on a large platter with warm flatbread. Let guests build their own bites, mixing flavors as they go. Tabouli is a side for grilled meats. The acidity and freshness of tabouli work magic with smoky, charred meats. It lightens heavy dishes, making each bite feel balanced. Try these pairings. Lamb kebabs. The fat in lamb needs something sharp. Tabouli's lemon and parsley cut right through it. Chicken shawarma. Tabouli's herbs complement the warm spices in shawarma, adding a fresh counterpoint to crispy edges. Grilled halloumi. Serve tabouli alongside this salty cheese for a vegetarian duo that's hearty but not heavy. For gatherings, set out bowls of tabouli next to platters of grilled meats. The contrast keeps flavors lively from start to finish. Tabouli isn't just a recipe, it's a taste of Lebanese tradition, vibrant and alive with every bite. The crisp parsley, chewy bulgur, and zesty lemon dressing create a harmony that's stood the test of time. Once you try the authentic version, you'll understand why it's been cherished for generations. Give this recipe a try and make it your own. Whether you stick to the classic or add a modern twist, it's hard to go wrong when fresh ingredients lead the way. Share your tabouli creations with others, and let the flavors bring people together, just as they do in Lebanon. Tell us how yours turns out. Did you add a personal touch? We'd love to hear your take on this timeless dish in the video. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.